SaaS companies are betting you won't do the math. They're selling you a 500-month subscription for a 20-step automation you can host on a $5 server. Today, we break the cost of AI agent platforms down to the cent and show you how to rebuild their entire business model for the price of a latte. Or first. Let's audit a typical AI agent platform. You're paying for three things: compute, orchestration logic, and a UI. They bundle it, slap on a 5,000% margin, and call it innovation. A popular platform charging $450 a month per seat for 500 automations? That's $5,400 a year. For what? We're about to itemize the receipt. The core tech is free and open source. You're just paying rent. Meet N8N. It's the automation workhorse behind thousands of businesses, and its core is 100% open source and self-hostable. No per-task fees, no seat licenses. This is the exact same orchestration layer those 500-month platforms are built on. It's like discovering the factory that makes the $200 sneakers you just bought. They polish the UI, but the engine is sitting right there, waiting for your API key. The agent's brain is your biggest line item. Platforms charge you per AI task, a hidden token tax. The escape hatch? Local models. Ollama running Llama 3.2 on your own machine means $0 per inference. Or use a cloud provider's free tier strategically. Connect it to N8N in one click. Suddenly, your 500 automation agent farm has a $0 monthly compute bill. The SaaS margin just evaporated. But what if you need more power? Don't rent it, buy it. A used M1 Mac Mini is a $600 one-time payment that outperforms 200 months of cloud VMs for inference. It's a permanent asset. Use Tailscale to securely connect this local powerhouse to your cloud workflows. This is cost arbitrage, turning a capital expense into a massive recurring operational profit by cutting the SaaS middleman. Let's prove it. We'll build a complex email processing agent that would be a $99 a month SaaS. Trigger. New email. Step 1. Local LLM classifies intent. Step 2. Extracts data. Step 3. Updates a database. Step 4. Sends a tailored draft. Watch. No code, just logic. This is the exact workflow they'd put behind a paywall. We're deploying it for the cost of the electricity to run this video. This pattern applies everywhere. Take Claude Code, a 20-month SaaS, to understand your codebase. An open-source rival just dropped that does the same thing for free and can use 500+ models. The secret was a Claude.md file for training. This is the playbook. Find the expensive SaaS, look for the open-source engine, and own your stack. The tool isn't the product. Your data and workflow are. So here's your new architecture. Foundation. N8N. Self-hosted on a $5 VPS. Brain. Ollama on a local machine. Your silent $0 AI workhorse. Connectivity. Tailscale for secure links. This isn't a hobbyist setup. This is an industrial-grade automation factory with zero variable costs. Every workflow you build is pure profit. You're not avoiding a subscription, you're deleting a cost center. Stop funding their R&D with your profit margins. Pick one SaaS subscription you pay for right now and search for its name plus open source alternative. You'll find the blueprint, your move. Like and subscribe for more.